umaga sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Bato-Bato, Nara, Palawan. At nakikita nyo yung aking nasa likuran. Nandito tayo sa lote ni Mama. At dito meron tayong kids ministry. Hindi tayo nakapagturo last Saturday, pero ngayon magtuturo tayo. Kamag-anak, mga pamangkin, yan. At dito makikita nyo, dito sa may bandang likuran lang ng kubo, yan, makikita na natin yung bundok. At dito naman sa gilid, yan, mga palayan yan dyan. Yan. Dito naman yung ginagawang kubo or bahay. So, magandang umaga, nawa makapasyal yung mga taga Bulacan dito, and I hope and pray sa Panginoon na pag nandito kayo talagang mag-enjoy kayo. Sa biyaya ng Panginoon ay may provide ng Diyos yung ating mga pangailangan dito, lalo na dito sa Bato-Bato. Magkakaroon tayo dito ng outreach, at nakakatuwa yung mga bata dito kasi willing silang matuto at makinig ng salita ng Panginoon. Amen. So maraming salamat sa inyo. To God be all the glory. God bless you.
Oftentimes I've tried to live my life according to my will. When darkness comes, it's difficult to rest and just be still. But Lord, you are my shepherd that guides me in the way, and I will learn this glorious truth if I your word obey. You're all I need. You're the Lord of everything, all I need. This is why I humbly sing. Your strength is sustaining, and your grace has made me free. You're my heart's lone desire. You're all I need. By wanting more, I've wanted less than all you've given me. You gave your all by laying down your life at Calvary. So I surrender, oh Lord, my best to you I give, and thank you now for giving me a reason to live. You're all I need. You're the Lord of everything, all I need. This is why I humbly sing. Your strength is sustaining, and your grace has made me free. You're my heart's lone desire. You're all I need. More than enough. You're all I need.
Hey!